The village of Tansley Wood long-term care home in Burlington is reporting an outbreak of COVID-19 with 16 cases today, the majority of them residents. Halton Public Health is still investigating how the outbreak started, but says the virus can sometimes enter homes through staff and visitors. And according to an email sent to residents and their families on Tuesday, only 52% of Tansley Wood's long-term care staff are fully vaccinated with 2 doses of a COVID-19 shot. 86% of them have their first dose, which is closer to the provincial average of 92% of Ontario's LTC workers being partially vaccinated.
Although they present these average statistics, the most recently presented being that 84% of long-term care staff are fully immunized, there is significant variability between the homes.
Vivian Stamanopoulos is a long-term care advocate. She finds for-profit homes like Tansley Woods tend to have much lower rates of vaccination compared to municipal and nonprofit ones.
In the municipal homes that tend to have more full-time permanent employees that have been at these homes for a long time, that they have the highest vaccination rates. And municipal homes were also very smart to work with neighboring hospitals to get mobile clinics to these facilities instead of requiring the workers to go on their time off to a mass vaccination clinic.
The province's new rules for long-term care staff also came into effect yesterday, directing staff to either provide proof of vaccination, get a documented medical reason for not being vaccinated, or participate in an educational program about the benefits of the COVID shot and the risks of not getting one.
It doesn't really deal with the situation of, okay, you've done the educational vaccine, and you still decide you don't want to be vaccinated. What's the employer supposed to do then?
Labor rights lawyer Nina Gupta says businesses and sectors can make vaccines mandatory as long as they can prove there's a pressing reason for one.
It's all new, and so law is playing catch up. And many employers, including employers I work with, would love to have a mandatory vaccination policy, but they don't want to deal with the legal blowback. And what they would prefer to see is the government take a definitive lead.
Emily Tayler, CHCH News, Burlington.